Yeah, I guess I'm old enough now that I'm not interested in solving people's problems when they artificially limit my tool set.
Yeah, I mean, it's so interesting to see like the attitude back in the day, right? Just give somebody the root password, like without any checks, and then you just do whatever needed on the box to get stuff going. And yeah, just I mean, just even TCP dump is a super powerful tool if you have like
Reminds me of so Fred Moyer posted, what would an Amazon trick question look like if it was answered by Feynman?
okay.
And it's hilarious because it's the classic. You have three light switches and three light bulbs in the other room, and you need to figure out which light bulb controls which switch, and which switch controls which light bulb, and you can only ever enter the room once, right? And like it's a trick question because it's a horrible question. It has nothing to do with computing.
Yeah.
And I think that the answer is you turn two light switches on, and you wait for a minute, and you turn one of them off, and you wait for 30 seconds, and you turn them all off, and you walk in the room and you touch the light bulbs to see how hot they are, right? And it's like, so the Feynman response is like, are they UL certified? Are they wired with their hot leads, and are they all load leads, or are they some of them loaded on neutral? Do I have a testing current kit? Blah 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 blah. And the person gets frustrated with them the whole time, and then and it gets to the point where it's like, well, they don't have necessarily the same bulbs, so one could be fluorescent, one could be incandescent, and they'd have different heat profiles. So you can't trust that anyway, right? So interestingly, this is a software engineering job. When I do my job, am I allowed to use tools, compilers, debuggers, analyzers? And they're like, of course. And it's like, why would you ask me an electrical question if you're not going to give me the industry best practice standards for electrical systems?
Yeah.
Right. And it's a very funny article. It was in the observability Slack channel.
It's really a good framing of this thing, right? As a craft and as an engineering discipline,